Hello guys, welcome to Volvopedia. Today the car came in with a park assist warning message on the dashboard or in the cluster. Let me see if it appears. Sometimes you have to like close the doors, close the hood for the sign to appear. So this one has actually a park assist message. Right now I cannot see it because the hood is open. And also you can see that when it says start stop service required. So if you see the start stop service required, there you go, start stop. Good thing that I waited. So the first thing you have to see or inspect on the vehicle, the support battery is located here in the front of the vehicle. This is a spa end vehicle 2019. Support battery is here. Car is running right now, so that's gonna help us to see the difference in voltage. Actually it's 10.5 volts right now, so it is not charging. Sometimes when the message appears, the system start charging the battery, the support battery, because it sees a fault. So I'm gonna test it with 170 amps. I'm pretty sure it's bad because it's 10 volts. And have to put the right amount of, it's 180 amps rated. 135, 185, that's fine. It's gonna fail anyways. It's battery charge, yes. So it's at 0. I don't know if it's gonna print out. I hope so. So print, it's printing. So it pulled out 0 amps. So battery's bad. There's no amperage. It doesn't hold charge. But here's the key. If you replace it by itself, if you replace it and only do that, it's not gonna clear that's what I'm trying to say. It's not gonna clear the code or the message. In order to clear, of course, with scanner, but not even that. You have to disconnect both batteries. This one, disconnect the support battery. When you change it, don't put it back yet. This car has a rear, the main battery is on the rear, so main battery is on the rear here. So I have to disconnect at least one connection. I'm gonna do the ground and leave that one unplugged, the one on the front. And when you plug it in, do this one first. And sometimes if you just put it in there, the new one, that's fine. You can unplug this one on the top. It has a tab underneath, and pull it out. Squeeze and pull it out. Sometimes it's not much room in it. And this is the tab right here. So do that if you have your new battery already installed. And unplug this. Unplug the back, and when you give it like 2 minutes, you plug this back, knowing that you have the new battery installed, which I don't have the new battery installed yet, and plug the main battery back, and that should clear the code for the warning message on the cluster. It's not gonna clear it on the memory of the vehicle. It's gonna have it stored, the loss of power. But at least you're not gonna have the warning message on the vehicle anymore. If there's no problems with this guy right here, BCSM. Sometimes that gets affected, this module here, and it won't never charge the battery because there's an issue there. It's very rare. I've only seen 2 times that going out. So in a lot of cars that I see every day. So guys, remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching Volvopedia, guy. Have a blessed day.